Today I'm going to show you probably the most simple recipe for beef. Let's make some picanha. Now if you've ever been to one of those Brazilian steakhouses where they come around with the skewer and cut the beef off, let's get this cook going. First thing we want to do is get the grill ready. We want to cook on direct heat today. We want full on fire, sear this picanha. Now the grain on this picanha is running like so. So what I want to do is cut it this way with the grain. You're going to need a sharp knife for this because there is a, I'll show you, there is a back cap on the bottom side. And I'm cutting these pieces about an inch. I'm going to tell you, I don't know if you've been to one of those Brazilian steakhouses, but this picanha is awesome. Just kind of get it. I think we can get 2 more pieces here. Just want to be careful, right? You don't want this knife to slip. End up with a messed up finger, right? Now we got her all sliced up. Now you don't have to do what I'm going to do now. But if you buy this at one of those Brazilian, or if you go to one of those Brazilian steakhouses, they've got it on this skewer. Just like I'm doing here. Right? Bring it down like so. Get another one. You can just grill them straight up if you want. But if you've been one of those, like I say, one of those Brazilian steakhouses, you know how they do it. It's all curled up. It looks awesome. They come up and trim it right beside you while you're there. So we're going to do the same thing here. Let's get this third one on here. So now we got one of our skewers already. Now we got our second one all done. Right? There we go. Now I'm just coming in with a little sea salt. That's going to be it. Sea salt and picanha. You don't need a lot of beef seasoning or anything like that. Let's get back over to this grill. Now we want straight up heat today. None of this smoking or side cooking. Let's get our picanha on here. We're getting some nice color on them, on this picanha. Let's get it off this grill. While this picanha is sitting here resting, put a little bit more of that sea salt on there. We're going to let it rest 5-10 minutes. Give it a taste test. Picanha's been resting here 5, 6, 7 minutes. I can't wait any longer. Let's get into it. All right, let's cut this. Oh, look how tender. Look at that. Perfect medium rare. Look how juicy that is. Look at that. Just perfect medium rare. So juicy, that picanha. Let's give it a taste. Here we go. So tender. And we're talking full-on beef flavor, just salt. You saw how easy that was. Hey, I got 2 more videos for you to watch right down